Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather and this is Henry. Freshly washed and smelling delicious. And welcome to Create Your Own Cozy. Today I am going to be painting this thrift store find. This chair was found for $5 and I'm going to be using it in my create room at my workspace. So what I decided I wanted to do is paint a little bit of the chair the color of my walls, that blue color, and then do a technique which I've used before but I don't use very often. I put Vaseline over the spots that I want to be aged, and then I'll paint the whole thing white and then rub the spots where the Vaseline were left, so that those little colors of blue will kind of peek through, but the majority of this is going to be a white chair. So it's going to be a pretty simple project this week, but one that will be easy for you to replicate. I'm going to be using latex wall paint as the base color. I will put Vaseline over the spots that I want to stay the color blue of the wall, and then I'm going to be using white chalk paint over it and using either a wet towel or a paper towel to kind of wet distress it so I don't have to make a big mess. Today I am going to be using a spray chalk paint. The thing about chairs is they can take a really long time. There's a lot of spaces to paint. So I'm going to attempt the spray chalk paint today and see if I like how it finishes up and let you know when I'm done. So thanks for joining me. So I can't find any petroleum jelly Vaseline, so I saw this hack somewhere. I'm going to give it a try. This is a piece of soap. I'm going to just put the soap in the spaces that I want the paint to be able to easily run off. Excuse the kids in the background. But this is just, instead of sanding, I'm going to put this soap in those spaces and paint the whole thing white, and then I'll be able to rub off so I can see the blue underneath. And it's a way to not have a whole bunch of sawdust, or not sawdust, a whole bunch of paint sand in your house. So I'm just going to go through and use this method where I kind of want it to look distressed and want the blue to be sticking through. It takes some thinking. It takes some thinking. It takes some thinking, but it's where you can see the blue and say, this is where I want it to stay blue. So change of plans, and changing plans is fine.